drops. Timmy, was that what? Who left all these cough drops? Let me try one. These are stupendous. I gotta tell my family about these. These are awesome. John, you didn't know to wash what? Good riddance with her. Now I get to enjoy my cough drops. And that followed another addiction after another. Cough drops.